My name is Kellyanne Alexander, and I'm from Weymouth, Massachusetts. I currently work in the lab of Dr. Michael Francis, and I study the developmental remodeling of synapses. I like to compare synaptic remodeling to dating because if you could only date one person your whole life, it could end up really good, but it could also end up really unhealthy. And so neurons also undergo a dating-like process where they can be choosy, so they make many connections and then they can choose the stronger one and eliminate the weaker connection. So I actually worked in assisted living, and so I was really, at the start of graduate school, I was really interested in studying aging and the molecular mechanisms of Alzheimer's. But when I entered undergraduate, I worked in a lab studying sex differences in the brain and the developmental side of that. And I think through working in that lab, I really appreciated how plastic the brain is, and that's where I kind of grew my passion for developmental neuroscience. The HHMI Gilliam Fellowship, it typically funds for up to 3 years. I think a large portion of it is to support research, but there's also an element of supporting diversity and aiming to really promote students or future scientists where diversity is a very important aspect of their science. And just diversity in general is very important in science because when we open the doors to everyone, you get a lot of really great science, really diverse ideas and new angles to combat the same problem. And I think that women in science is very important because it adds to that diversity. For me personally, I'm hoping that with the HHMI Fellowship, I can go on to start my own lab. This will really support me in that and help me to further promote diversity and inclusion in the future.